Tishle, Namaste, hello, Assalamu alaikum, hola. I'm Nishant from Architect Post with AI research updates. Our first update is from researchers of Meta and University of Texas at Austin, where they propose DEDIC, a method to detect 20,000 classes using image-level supervision. The difficulty of object detection is divided into two parts. Number one, detecting the object, and number two, labeling. Traditional techniques rely on box labels for all classes. Since these two sub-problems are intimately coupled, the newest Elvis detection dataset, for example, has 1,000 plus classes and 120,000 photos. Open Images offers 1.8 million images for 500 classes. Even the 10-year-old ImageNet dataset offers 21,000 classes and 14 million pictures in categorization. Researchers from Meta AI and the University of Texas suggested the detector with image classes in a recent publication, which incorporates image-level supervision in addition to detection supervision. The researchers discovered that the sub-problems of localization and classification might be separated. Modern Vision Proposal Network have already located several new items using the existing detection supervision. To learn about this straightforward technique, check the article link in the description. Our next update is from Microsoft AI team, who proposed Deep Speed Mixture of Experts MOE model, an end-to-end MOE training and inference solution as part of the Deep Speed library. MOE is a promising deep learning model architecture that can minimize training cost complexity to several sublinear parameters. A group of learning technique is used in MOE architecture to break down modeling jobs into subtasks and train an expert model for each. A gating network learns which expert to trust and then combine the prediction based on the input to be forecasted. As a result, a good model architecture that could considerably reduce training costs compared to the quality equivalent dense model is needed. This facilitates model scaling and paves the path for model that can learn more data. It also powers various disciplines including computer vision, speech recognition, and neural language processing. But, just like every AI news providing platform is not MarTech Post, there are bottlenecks during everyday scenario. So to know those bottlenecks and the solutions proposed by the researchers to tackle the shortcomings, you know where to go, yaar. Article link in the description. Our next update is from Deci, where they introduced SuperGradients, an open source Python deep learning library for computer vision models. The process of developing and deploying a production-ready deep learning model is not easy. The struggle to build and deploy a production-ready deep learning model is often overwhelming for enterprises AI developers. There are various challenges that affect the entire process, including data architecture selection or transfer issues because of incompatible tooling platforms. Deci, a deep learning development company, harnesses artificial intelligence to build enterprise-level AI. They announced the launch of SuperGradients, an all-in-one Python library for computer vision model with the newest product that will save time and money. Take my money in training them. To know about SuperGradient and the key takeaways, check the article link in the description. Our next update is from Google AI, where they introduced StyleX. I mean, not this style. So Google AI introduced StyleX, 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 a new approach for visual explanation of classifiers. Neural networks are capable of completing a wide range of tasks. Understanding how they arrive to the decision, on the other hand, is frequently a mystery that goes unexplored. Explaining a neural model decision process could have a significant social impact in the domains where human oversight is crucial, like medical image processing and autonomous driving. For visual explanation of a classifier, there have been approaches like attention maps. They show which part of an image have an impact on classification. They are, however, unable to explain how the attributes within those zones affect the classification conclusion. Researchers at Google AI unveil a new technique for visual explanation of classifiers. StyleX. Not this style. StyleX finds and visualize disentangled attributes that affect a classifier automatically. As a result, it is possible to investigate the impact of various traits by modifying them separately. Changes in one characteristic do not influence the other attributes, which is a significant benefit of this strategy. Now, you may ask, how does a StyleX work given a classifier and an input image? To generate high quality images, Style GAN2 architecture is used. It is carried out in 2 stages. Phase 1, training StyleX. Phase 2, extraction of disentangled attributes. To learn more about StyleX and the 2 phases, check the article link in the description. Okay students, for our final update, we'll be understanding NoCode AI and some top NoCode machine learning tools for some DIY machine learning projects. Okay. Jokes aside, AI applications have made their way into almost every sector, yet businesses fail to adopt them. According to Forbes, 83% of companies think that AI is a strategic priority for them, yet there is a shortage of skilled data scientists. It is not only because AI solutions and expertise are expensive, but also because firms lack infrastructure to support these solutions. Companies are increasingly deploying AI and machine learning models using NoCode AI, a no-code development platform with a visual code-free and typically drag and drop interface. Individuals and corporates may now experiment with AI and machine learning more efficiently. These solutions assist businesses in swiftly and affordably adopting AI model, allowing their domain experts to benefit from the cutting-edge technologies. No-code machine learning offers many benefits. Help business users leverage their domain-specific experience and quickly build AI solutions. There are some cool no-code machine learning tools like Google AutoML, MakeML, Teachable Machines, Super Annotate, Runway ML, and Brighter. Well, it is obvious that no-code AI cannot completely replace a trained team of computer scientists. They provide a workable alternative for businesses wishing to automate parts of their robotics processes. To know the benefits offered by no-code ML and to understand those cool no-code ML tools, check the article link in the description. Bye bye.